My Chinese doctor said to me one day, Sonia, there's only 2 or 3 people in the world who can do what you do. So we must take very good care of you. I'm Sonia Grace, Mystic Healer. I can see, smell, hear, and feel the spirit realm. I've been this way since I was a small child. My earliest memory is watching the whole spirit realm walk through our house. I played in the woods with the Davic realm. I have clients all around the world, CEOs, doctors, lawyers, scientists, psychologists, and politicians, and they have a variety of questions that they ask. Most people want to be connected to the spirit realm. There's loved ones who have crossed over and they want to have some healing and some closure with. A lot of people are looking for answers to their relationships, their financial positions, their home lives, their work lives. People want answers. And I help them align the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual bodies. I go in and do deep processing work with the inner child. I look back into past lives and track where they have repeated these patterns karmically. I help them clear the karma so that it's not so hard for them to get through it in this lifetime. I have clients who also are with 4 legs, and they're cats and dogs and horses, and I've got an entire troop of monkeys in Tennessee that I work on, as well as birds and rabbits and ferrets. I've worked on lots of animals. They are so receptive to my work. They receive the healing work with a lot of really instant results. My healing work, which I do around the world as well, has very little definition to time and space. I defy time and space by putting myself in front of someone wherever they are, and I go in on a very deep cellular level. Time and space doesn't mean to me what it does to most people. I'm an author of Angels in the 21st Century and Earthways, Healing Medicine for the Soul.